How to turn on always on display mode in Samsung A32. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So always on display mode is a feature in Samsung phones which will enable you to show your display or show something like clock or images even when your screen is locked. That means basically the screen will never go off because it will always be in display mode and it will show something that you chose to show. So in order to enable that feature, simply go to settings, then go to display, and then if you cannot find it over here, you can just search for always on display. Okay, this was on lock screen, and then go to this always on display, then select and toggle it on. Here you will have several options like tap to show, show always, show as scheduled, and show for new notifications. You can also change your clock's style and show your music information and many more. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.